reason you may be failing at learning guitar is your teacher is too technical and not teaching you to feel the music. Next here on Jam on Guitar. Brandon here for Jam on Guitar, and I want to teach you not only know where you're at on the guitar, but also feel the music. You need to learn how to feel the music, and a lot of the teachers out there that are online, they teach way over the heads of their students. They teach, very technical. I will teach you where you're at on the guitar. You need to know where you're at on the guitar, but you also need to know how to feel the music, how to understand the music, how to hear the music and feel the music at the same time. And that's how I actually learned that riff. Is I learned it pretty much by ear, just by feeling and knowing where the music is. It's always good to learn, with your ear as well as knowing where you're at on the guitar. You don't need to learn and just play just by ear, but you need to learn to know where you're at on the guitar and learn to use your ear and feel the music as you play. And one of the first songs that I always teach is Knocking on Heaven's Door, usually the Guns N' Roses version, and it's 4 chords. It's 4 easy chords. The first 4 chords that you need to learn on guitar, or one of the first 4 chords you need to learn on guitar at least, and it's G, D, A minor, G, D again, and then C. And it goes just like this. What I love about teaching that song first is it teaches you strumming and picking at the same time, and also teaches you bar chords. If you want to learn the bar chords, when you learn guitar, you really need to learn bar chords, and those bar chords that I played are the same notes as the open chords, the open major chords I showed you: G, D, A minor, G, D, C. But playing the bar chords, which is G, D, A minor again, and then G, D, and C. And I can teach you all of that in a very short amount of time to be able to pick up how to play guitar in a very easy way, to be able to feel the music. You can turn on, Guns N' Roses, Knocking on Heaven's Door, and play with it so you can feel it as well. But initially we want to teach you how to strum and how to pick, and at the same time. But it's very, very easy the way I teach you one-on-one lessons via Zoom, or one-on-one lessons here in Richmond, Kentucky area to get you going. Hey, also, before I go, I also forgot to mention that the first 500 subscribers to my YouTube, one of them will be able to receive a Jam on Stomping Ground pedal board and road case. I mean, that's a $200 value you've got. That's going to come to your doorstep out of the first 500 subscribers to Jam on Guitar, guitar lessons. One of you is going to receive this to your doorstep, and it's a very, very roadworthy and very, very good pedal board. There's no pedals on it, but you can fill it up with pedals, and I can teach you how to do that as well. So this is Brandon for Jam on Guitar, and you all have a blessed day.